In this example, the developer is looking to purchase lots 18 and 19 on a lake. It wants to determine the length of the property's boundary that runs along the lake. A measurement known as frontage. So we want to know the frontage. And those of you who live at the lake, if you talk to your parents, your taxes are based on your frontage, your lakefront frontage. So people at the lake pay higher taxes based on how much lakeside, how much of the lake their property covers. So I want to find the frontage of lot 18 to the nearest tenth of a foot. Notice I don't have a triangle here, but notice I do have parallel lines. So my parallel lines are set up almost as a proportion, aren't they? So you just have to look. Hey, x is to 120 as 96.5 is to 102. So x is to 120 as 96.5 is to 102. Let's solve that proportion. I'm going to multiply both sides by 120. So I get x equals, and obviously these are kind of big numbers, so we're going to use our calculator, 96.5 times 120 divided by 102. And they would be paying taxes on about 113.5 feet of property. Now, on our next problem, I want to find x and y. Notice my segments are congruent. That is, 4y minus 1 equals y plus 8. So we can just write that equation. 4y minus 1 equals y plus 8. When you take your quiz, make sure you show your work. So we minus y from both sides. At the same time, let's add 1 to both sides. And so we get 3y equals 9. Divide by 3. Y is 3. That's our first part. Oops. I don't know why. There we go. A little bit close to the edge. Now, since my y segments were equal, my x segments are equal. Now, x doesn't equal y, remember, but I know AB equals BC. So in other words, 2x plus 8 is going to equal to 7x minus 12. Now we'll just do the arithmetic or the algebra here. Let's minus 2x from both sides. I want to get rid of that 12, so I'll add 12 to both sides. 18 plus 12 is 30. 7x minus 2x is 5x. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 6. And there's your answer. And I do believe that's the end of our seminar. Yes, it is.